Numerous potential challenges have already ruled themselves out, with several backing Mr. Harris for the job he has always craved, with Leo Varadkar, Ireland's Taoiseach, announcing his resignation yesterday in a move which shocked the nation. The race to replace him is already underway, with potential candidates seemingly queuing up to rule themselves out. The path appears to be clear for Simon Harris, Minister for Further and Higher Education, to take the top job, the equivalent to the UK Prime Minister. However, if the 37-year-old does get the job, one academic has warned faces one key challenge, namely facing down demands by Sinn Féin, the largest single parliament in the Irish Dáil, for an early general election. Mr. Harris has never made any secret of his desire to be the country's leader, but Mr. Varadkar's decision to quit as party leader and step aside as Taoiseach once a replacement has been identified has left the ruling coalition of his Fine Gael party, Fianna Fáil and the Greens on shaky ground. Sinn Féin leader Mary Lou MacDonald is already on record as saying it is not acceptable for Fine Gael members to choose among themselves who the next Irish Premier will be. And speaking to Bloomberg, Mary Murphy, senior lecturer in politics at the University of Cork, said it was certain that the Republican Party would try to exploit this upheaval. Justice Minister Helen McEntee has ruled herself out as a leadership candidate as Fine Gael politicians began to publicly back Mr. Harris. Ms. McEntee said she would support whoever puts themselves forward for nomination as party leader. She told LMFM radio, "I think, as a party, we will remain strong and we will remain united.